Alright, what's up guys? So I'm in this trade right here and I wanted to record the live thought process and how I go about managing it and all that stuff, right? And so yeah, pretty much this is what I see here. Price. So first up, let me just mark out my TPs and stuff, and then I'll go over and explain the whole position. Just give me a second. So what are we thinking? So I'm thinking break even here, and then full take profit up there. Yeah, I like that. I like that, yeah. Yeah. Maybe here, actually. Maybe here. Maybe that's the full take profit. I think... Is that achievable, guys? I think so, yeah. I think so, honestly. Okay, so yeah, the full take profit is going to be at around... It's going to be on the start of this 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah. I think that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so... Wait. Okay, break even. All right, anyway, this I think is what the setup is going to be. I also think that stop loss. Do I want it down there? No. No. It's just bouncing off this 1 hour gap. That's not my worry. I'm pretty fine there. But do I want stop loss to go down there? I'll do on the 5-minute gap. I'll do the 5-minute gap is what my stop loss is gonna go to. Which is that right there. Yeah. I mean, it's either way. It's probably gonna hit break even right now. So yeah, either way. So so this is like a trade recap and like a live trading in the same thing, right? In real time, am I right? Okay, so the thought process is very simple. Okay, on the higher time frames, I see that overall price is just very bullish, where all these gaps are getting ran through, and also this 1 hour fair value gap got tapped into and then pushed higher. So I don't have conviction that price is going to go lower off of this point here. It just doesn't make sense to me, because two reasons. Number one, not only is it not it's very bullish, it's showing us it's respecting these bullish gaps, but also there's no draws. There's no 1 hour draws here, whereas here I feel like there's just better draws. Although there isn't 1 hour, there's I don't know, just more 15-minute gaps, and overall price is more bullish. So I want to follow the trend. So that's the thought process going on to the higher time frames, and then from there I come down here and I wait for look, essentially it's not really a big 1 hour liquidity sweep or anything like I usually do, but I just see price went lower. It gave us this 5-minute liquidity sweep, 15-minute, whatever you want to call it, and it broke structure back up, and then it came down and filled the equilibrium and a bunch of confluences along with this SMT, and it's just overall very bullish. And what I'm thinking is I don't think price is going to go lower from here, right? And so I think it's just going to continue playing with the trend, and that this draw on liquidity, this is it's kind of a key draw because it's a swing one, is probably most likely going to get hit. So yeah, that's my thought process. And then from there, I think the 1 hour also might get hit. So going down to the lower time frames, what I saw was just we have a what do you call it? We just we go up a lot, we break structure, then price comes down, fills this 5-minute gap, gives us a 1-minute bullish SMT, fills equilibrium, and then from there strong inverse fair value gap. So yeah, I'm pretty set on this trade here. So let's see how it plays out. Yeah. We're currently filling this 1 minute. If we can close bullish off that, that'd be even better for us. And so NQ is just more bullish here in this case, which is why I took it on NASDAQ. I'm pretty confident that this hits though, I'm not gonna lie. What do I do while I'm waiting for this, bro? Like, I don't even know what to say. Yo, don't inverse this gap, bro. Oh my, come on, bro. Bro. Oh my, come on. Yo, we might be cooked here. What went wrong, guys? What went wrong? I mean, I don't like, bro, I don't know what to tell you. I guess, okay, yeah. The thought process is there, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's moving so fast. Yo, what is this P&L? It's like up 100. It's like up plus or minus 100 every. Okay, this is good. This is good. Come on, okay. I'm just waiting, but I need to see a break of structure off of the gap, and then from there it's like, bro, come on. If it doesn't hit, I don't even know what to say. But if no, stop. Don't inverse it. Do not inverse this gap. Okay, good. Okay. Oh no. Okay, good. That's okay. Oh, that's just all we needed. Oh, okay, yeah. Now I see. Yeah, it makes a ton of sense and stuff. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's just all, you know. Yeah, all good, bro, all good. Oh, yo, this is messing with me, bro. I'm not even gonna look at it. Oh, okay. Talk about legs up. I'm telling you guys. I'm actually no. Okay, now I'm confident. I might even enter more. Nah. Chill. Okay. Whoa. Calm down, bro. Calm down. And just like that, guys. Just like that, break even. I told you. I literally told. But it's not over. Look, the job is not finished yet, right? But I did tell you. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. I know, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Now, we don't want price to hit break even. Now, we don't want price to hit break even, all right? We want it to just continue going up. But I have to put break even because there's an SMT off of this high. And, bro, realistically, like, I don't know. Price is just mad choppy. I'm not trying to be in this trade, you know, if it just decides to, like, flip on me. But I don't think, like, look, I expect price to just continue going higher. If price is going to go up, I expect it to just keep going up and not, like, this level should not be enough for price to reverse if it wants to go higher. This is the way I see it. Or else, if it reverses off this level, then it's most likely going to come below these lows, right? So I just wanted to, you know, blast right through as if it doesn't exist, which is what boom, right there. What am I telling you? What am I telling you? Which is what we're doing right now. You know what I'm saying? That's how I want it to move, all right? Good. Good stuff. Good, bro. Good. Good. Nice. Now ES broke it as well. And yeah, I think this high is mad achievable. I'm not gonna lie. Mad achievable. Mad achievable. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. This high, it's like it's just a swing. Yes, it's a 15-minute, but bro, it's a swing high. Like, it's whatever, bro. It's all that, you know? It's all that. You feel? But yeah, bro. But yeah. All right, some decent legs up. Some decent legs up. Because I feel like we have to think about it logically, right? If price wants to reverse, what level does it have to hit first? I think this 1 hour gap is achievable in order to like give price of to reverse a little bit, right? It's like obviously price not gonna which it might even just keep going all the way up, but you need to have your TP like a point where you think that price would reverse, right? So a point where your long bias would now get invalidated. It's the same thing for TP and stop loss. So like the long. So like the stop loss is where your bias gets invalidated, but so is the take profit, because you're saying that at this point, I want to get out of this position. That's why we don't just hold forever, right? Because it's a price, it's a key area that price could reverse off of. So my only concern here is it could be this point. I just don't think so. I think 1 hour gaps are higher like confluence than 15 minutes, A, and B, I think ES also has to hit this. Unless we make an SMT off this, which would be even worse for me, but I just don't think that that's gonna happen. I don't think that. So let's see this. Let's see this. So far I'm good. So far I'm chilling. I'm chilling. So far I'm chilling. See the cat right there? You guys see the cat? She's sleeping right there. No, but actually, I can like talk. Like it's fine. She likes hearing me talk and then sleeping as well. Okay, now from here, for example, like obviously you see a black candle. It's just a retrace, bro. Because if price just reverses at a random point without even taking on liquidity, it's like I don't want to. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. That isn't. I couldn't have known that. Because there's no liquidity point, So, see this here. Yeah, it looks fine. It looks fine with me. Yeah, this looks fine. Bro, I'm trying to entertain you guys, but I don't really know what to say. Hold on, let me just. Oh, okay, just like that, guys, right? I mostly see price going down this order block, the 5-minute order block. which is, hold up, let me mark it out on the chart. It would be this right here. Is where the order block would go. Yeah. Wait, hold up. Sorry, my bad. Hold up. No. Is it at 0.25? What is this at 0.50? 0.7. Hold on. 75025. Okay, but 3 ticks higher. All right. All right, I'm gonna cut to when something happens, if something does. So update, we just got a break of structure to the upside after we got a break structure to the downside. Now we're back up. So I think price can continue. And overall, this just validates my bias and my trade idea even more. So yeah, bro. What do I want to do, bro? Oh yeah. Let me see this one thing. What is the same one on ES? Is I believe this to that. And okay, hold on. I need to make this. But yeah, I'll update you guys again when something else happens. All right, so not almost yet. I don't even know what to say. I'm just patiently waiting, you know. Yeah.
Doing. I just don't really use the Bulldog, and I'm not really a Phantom player either. It's just ugly. Okay, think about it, chat.
This cannot be that hard. It's one of those songs.
Brickle, I am very sorry to have to open the bridge, but we simply cannot get by if we do not open it. So for all the people that I cause traffic for,
So price just wants to play games right now, and it is getting close, but I think that the sweep of this 5-minute low here could cause price to continue going higher. And we also have this order block that could hold. But again, bro, all this technical analysis, bro, if price just wants to go lower, let it go lower. But I'm good though, because it's at break even. I don't care either way, right? But, you know, do I want it to go higher? Bro, come on, like, obviously I want it to go higher. Will it go higher? It just depends on whatever price does. Honestly, have no clue, bro. Honestly, have no clue. I just gotta sit here and wait, and whatever outcome it is what it is. So, calm little update here. As you guys can see, the break even did get hit, so I ended up making $9 total, including fees. But yeah, because I had a little bit higher, but yeah. I'm glad I'm out because at least, you know, now I don't get to lose anything, you know, or make. I'm fine. I'd rather not make anything than lose. Again, price is just mad choppy today. Originally, I'll be honest with you, I was not looking to take a trade, so I'm not gonna be pissed about this. Like, my conviction was there, but I knew that like the market's just I don't know, they're just like you know, they're just kind of a little bit funky, like just reverse when we just reverse off like random points and not liquidity and not like actually follow this stuff. You know, we also didn't even get a 1 hour liquidity sweep to the downside because there was nothing here. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, other than that though, I'm glad I took this setup, and yeah, this is you guys saw me in live, and so yeah, thank you for watching.